Hi. It's the OM Glistens, and we're getting ready for our daily dose of...
Such fun. Jinx. Jinx again. Jinx again.
All right, you guys can both speak. So we're getting ready to do our daily dose of such fun. And today's assignment is... Today, let's think about our little feathered friends, birds and ducks. They never know where their next meal is coming from or what each day will hold, but they don't sit on branches having breakdowns in a state of terrible anxiety. They just do peacefully what they can and need to do. Go and feed some birds or ducks. Watch how free and happy they are pecking away at this exciting treat. Be in the moment as you freely watch them being in the moment. What a gorgeous circle that is. Note, apparently bread isn't good for ducks. So ideally, try to find some seeds, spread the word, and talking Mary Poppins, as we went a few days ago, don't hold back from singing Feed the Birds if the mood takes you today. So we are going to look for a couple different types of birds. We have some in mind, and we will see what we find.
Maybe some turkeys, maybe some seagulls.
What?
We'll see.
All right, see you soon.
Bye. Go.
All right, here we go. The first possible stop on our tour for ducks and or other birds to feed is this random curve by my dad's house.
Grandpa.
Sometimes there are wild turkeys that cross the road here, but I don't see any today. They live in this little ravine down there. But I don't see any. They come out like once a day. But today is not it. Wah, wah. On to find more birds. We are searching for ducks down by the river.
Do you want me to do a duck call?
Oh, no, please.
No.
Go where? Go where? Go where?
Violet, could you do a duck call, please?
No. I'll do it.
Okay, Camille. I can't even with her.
I can do it.
All right, let's hear it.
There's a fan.
Look at Camille's here with her biggest fan. I don't even know what that is.
I told you I could do one. I know. No, just no.
Quack, 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 quack.
You trying to get the Affleck duck?
Yes. Air flag. Oh, here comes a boat. I see a squirrel over there.
Oh, there's a goose.
What? Where's it? Oh, there's a goose. I'm not feeding a goose. Geese are jerks.
Hawk.
Well, so far, all we found
Was
is this
today.
goose who seems to be eating quite nicely all by himself. Well, we could not find any ducks, but we found a few seagulls.
Holy cow!
Somebody must have... Look at him go! Ah, the trash pandas of the sky. The seagulls. All right, let's go out and feed some seagulls. We got some bird seed.
Kind of like
Although these seagulls down here, they are used to eating. Go out a little further. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's like an episode of The Birds. An episode? I don't think you could say an episode, can you? Of a movie?
Just like the bird.
It's just like The Birds. Mine, 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 mine.
it's not mine.
Honestly, I think these seagulls are like, this is not a hamburger. These are not French fries.
Where's my pizza? This-
Oh, good. There's some for you. Got too close for my comfort. Oh my gosh! Hi, little guy. Sup?
Hi, little guy.
Sorry, we gave it all away.
Where?
He's gone.
You don't like me anymore.
Well, you don't have any food left. Oh, a little bit. All right, girls, I think we've done our duty.
Goodbye, birds. No hugs. Air hug.
Trash pandas.
Hey,